August 2023. Today's the 19th. It's been a couple of months since I ended Series 300 on the Doctrine of the Bible, and I wanted to do a channel update to just let everybody know where I'm at with production on the next series. The 400 series will be dealing with the end times and the last days. There are approximately 10 to 12 lessons in this particular series. As of today, I have 4 of the scripts written, and I'm working on number 5, so I'm about halfway through the series. I've also developed thumbnails for each of the individual lessons, and I have a new video intro that I'm going to be using for this series as well. So here in the next week to 2 weeks, I'll be recording audio. Once the audio's done, then I immediately roll over into producing video for each of the individual lessons, so I don't have to have all the audio done for all the lessons before I actually start working on the video. So all of this stuff is coming up pretty soon, hopefully by mid-September, which is approaching quickly, but still a good ways off. I'll be putting those lessons out. I will try to get those out quicker if I can. Some of the lessons require more detail because of the historical events and things, so I want to make sure that that information is accurate before I start putting lessons out. So that's what's coming, and I've put a little bit of a preview of some of the things here in this update, and as soon as everything's ready, I'll be rolling them out. So I appreciate everybody that has subscribed to the channel. I appreciate the comments and the questions that people send to me. So hopefully those lessons will be rolling out soon. So thanks, and I'll see you soon.